It is a bright Saturday morning, and the Johnson family is spending the day at the beach. The sun is shining, and the waves are moving gently across the sea. People are walking along the shore, and children are building sandcastles. Mr. Johnson is carrying a big blue umbrella. Mrs. Johnson is putting towels on the sand. She is opening the picnic basket. She is taking out sandwiches, fruit, and cold drinks. Their daughter Lily is collecting small shells near the water. She is smiling and is calling her brother Tom. Her older brother is playing with a colorful beach ball. He is throwing the ball into the air and is trying to catch it. He is laughing. The wind is blowing the ball away from him. A friendly dog is running after the ball. The dog is wagging its tail excitedly. Nearby, a group of teenagers is playing volleyball. They are jumping and shouting happily. One of them is diving into the sand. At the same time, a little boy is crying because a wave is washing over his feet. His father is holding his hand and is calming him down. Out in the sea, some people are swimming, and a lifeguard is watching everyone carefully. He is sitting on a tall chair and is looking around to make sure everyone is safe. Back under the umbrella, Mrs. Johnson is pouring lemonade into plastic cups. Mr. Johnson is taking pictures of his family. Lily is showing her shells to her mother, and Tom is building a big sandcastle. As the afternoon continues, the sky is slowly changing colors. The sun is setting, and everyone is packing their things. The Johnson family is feeling happy and tired. They are walking back to their car while they are talking about their wonderful day at the beach.